Hello, this is Carl here from Carl Benson YouTube, and today I'm going to do a second unboxing. This is my second one that I've done of the Corsair Commander Pro. The reason why I've got this second one is that my first one failed on me, and I couldn't get it sorted out, and got in touch with Corsair, and props to them, they replaced it straight away. It was very quick and painless from me getting in touch with them to me having this new one in my hand to show you guys. It was less than a week. So let's do this little unboxing and see what we get inside. On the back in English it says powered by Corsair IQ software, stunning software, controlled RGB lighting to any PC, includes fan and lighting controller. In the other languages you got it in French, Denmark, so Danish, Spanish, Russian and Chinese. If you can see that there, the languages. What other information have we got about this unit? I think it's something about the size of it there. So yeah, it's approximately 60mm by 130mm. So let's have a look and see what we get inside this box. The reason why the other one died, well, I don't know the reason why. I just one day the fans wouldn't spin up, the lights, the RGBs wouldn't light up, and the only thing that would work on it was the USB part of it, which my cooler was plugged into, and nothing else would detect in the IQ software. I tried reinstalling the software, nothing, and I even installed it into my other computer to see if it'd do the same in that, and it did. Nothing would work. So Corsair was good enough to give me a replacement through RMA. This is what you get inside this. Inside the unit straight away you got the main unit in a plastic bag. I don't know if it'd be a static free bag. Easy to open. Inside that bag with the unit you get two 3M pads to help you stick it inside the unit. Underneath here you get some documentation. You get documentation, you get a warranty guide, warranty against defects, and I'm not too sure what that is, but it's in Chinese. Can't really see that good with the glare. And this is the Commander Pro digital lighting and fan speed controller documentation. Tells you all about it inside. I won't go into that today. It's just a quick unboxing. And, that's all you get inside there. I'll put this back in. That's all there is to that. Nothing spectacular. These are thermal probes. I believe you get 4 of these, is it? Temp probes. So you get 4 temperature probes that are very long. Long enough, I think, to reach just about anywhere within a big computer case, a full ATX. There, it takes a full width of the camera. I don't know how long these are. I don't have my measuring tape with me, but as you can see, very, very long. Even in half. Yeah, long enough for any computer. And then these are for the RGBs extension, I believe. So if you've got LED strips that you want to connect to, you plug this in plug these into the LED section like that, very easy. Pull them out same way. You've got your temperature probe section there, 4 probes. You've got if you've got any peripherals that have USB connection, like your Corsair cooler, you just can plug it straight into these. So you can basically, by plugging this into your motherboard USB 2.0 header, you then gain another 2 headers to use. So that's quite good. And you can use these with an expansion, a USB 2.0 expansion from NZXT, like I have. I've tested it, it will work. And then these are, I like these. These are a nice little touch that Corsair gives you these. And I believe, let's see, I think you get 6 of these, is it? 1 for each fan header. And these are your PWM 4-pin fan extensions. And again, these are a very, very good length, as you can see, enough to reach anywhere in your computer build. That's just 4. And these are the same length as the thermal probes. And I'd say, on a rough guess, I'd say they're about 60 centimeters long, approximately. So I'd say about 30 inches in length, maybe. Maybe it says in the documentation. I might have to have a look at that for later. And yeah, this is all I like to share with you guys today. Also, you get the power plug, the SATA connector power. You get USB 2.0. Little LED light there. I don't know what that's for, because mine on my other one, it never lit up. And as you can see, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 connectors for 6 fans, 2 LED connectors, 4 thermal probes, and 2 USB 2.0 connectors as well, as you can see there. Then you get your sticky pads, one there, like so. Wow, like sticking to my fingers and coming off. And you just peel them off and stick it inside your computer and route your wires. And that's what I'd like to share with you today. Thank you for watching this video, and see you on the next one.